afternoon, this is Brian Schumann coming to you again with a video from Transwest Truck, Trailer and RV here in Belton, Missouri. Today I want to highlight a 2020 Tiffin Allegro Red 340 33AL. This is a 340 horsepower Tiffin on a Power Glide chassis, and it's got about 8,500 miles on it is all, so it's in super nice shape, low mileage, very clean coach. This one particular one has the slate gray outside. The pictures are on our website. It's got the Mocha Classic cabinets in here with a matte finish and cashmere to interior. So again, a kind of a nice fawn color that blends really well with the woodwork. This particular coach I have prepared for you in terms of with the front bunk down, and I would say this is a bunk that would fit one person. I wouldn't want to put two kids up here, but a nice size bunk that does flip down manually, so again, it's not electronically. With Tiffins, you have your flex steel furniture on the 2020s, and you have your power slide controls right on the seats. And Tiffin does that so you can keep an eye on your slides when they're coming in and you're not hitting your front seats. I even like the way Tiffin came up with their own step cover that would go across in front of your passenger seat, and it's even carpeted, which is nice. So that'll be nice and comfortable for your toes when you're running down the road. So as we look at the rest of this coach, you can see you've got a recliner here, and you've got a nice couch that'll fold out into a full-size bed that'll come all the way out. And opposite the bed is your dinette, which again also folds down. Your table folds down and makes into a sleeping area for shorter folks, or maybe a dog pen, either way. As you can see behind me, we've got a nice size LG TV on top of your fireplace, which is putting out a little bit of heat today, which feels nice because we actually had a little bit of snow last night. Coming back further, we've got a 2-sink kitchen area. One sink. It's a big country kitchen sink. I was deceived by the two covers in here. And plenty of storage, nice deep storage all the way around for your 3-burner cooktop, microwave convection, nice size residential fridge, LG fridge and freezer. You have a mid-bath with a radius shower, and plenty of space for your bathing needs. There's a towel rack up here. And as you come around, you have more storage, low and high, as well as your control panel, so you can get all your lights, your power, your slides, temperature, your water tanks, how much your batteries have in them. And next to the fridge, you have a combination of pantry and shelving units, which you again can change the different heights of these on. And I like the way they click in nicely. They're not going to pull out when you're going down the road. Coming into the master bedroom, you've got two air conditioners, and I lifted this bed up. It's a king-size bed, plenty of storage underneath, lots of storage up above. Come on, baby. And reading lights. Oh, there we go. And they even rounded off the corner here so you can get into your wardrobe area, which automatically lights up when you get into it. And you can see you've even got a small shelf over here, but lots of wardrobe space. And some of your key specs for your appliances that Tiffin always puts in their coaches. And again, I'm 6 feet. This is just right there. So again, you can come up here and get into this without having too much problem. And here's your stackable washer and dryer in the corner of your master bedroom. Lots of dressers, storage space, nice, deep, wide, both above and below. Some of your electronics. And kind of a hamper, as well as additional drawers for your clothing needs. So this is a 3D Red 340 Tiffin, a 2020, has about 8,500 miles on it. Mocha cabinetry. Your interior is a light color. You've got a gray outside. Again, please refer to our pictures on the website. With the bunk, you can sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people and a short person very comfortably up here. Flex Steel Furniture, give us a call, 816-892-5945 if I can help you on this coach. Or if you're close, you want to come by and take a test drive or a tour, please give me a call. We're still looking for used coaches, so don't hesitate to give us a call if you've got a coach about 5 years to 10 years old and you want to give us a buy bid. We'll be happy to entertain that for you. We're open Monday through Saturday, 8 to 5. But again, you can call me anytime on my cell, 816-892-5945. Again, my name is Brian Schumann here at Transwest. Thanks for joining us again and safe travels.